Hello, welcome to Tekla Structures Designer. This is Module 2 Part 3. Now, in this part, we are going to be modeling our columns. Okay. Now, to do that, I'll first go to my AutoCAD file. Okay. So, my columns, okay, the size of my columns are 230 by 230. Okay. So, I have two types of column type 1 and column type 2. Column type 1 are 8 in number, while column type 2 are 11 in number. So I'll come to my plan view. Okay. So you can see that these columns at this edge are all column type 1, including this column. Okay. So those columns are terminating. Okay. They are terminating on the paint floor. Okay. While the column type 2 are going all the way to the roof level. Okay, so I'll come back to my Tekla Structures Designer model. Okay, now I can model my column on any floor. Okay, I can go to the base floor. Okay, I can go to the first floor, any floor at all. Right, so now I'm going to start, okay, by going to my model tab. Okay, to my concrete panel and click on column. All right, so now to create column type 1, okay, column type 1 is terminating on the paint floor. So I'll come to the base level is the base, which is the foundation, and the top level is roof. So I'll come here and select paint. Why? Because column type 1 are terminating on the paint floor. Okay, I'll review the properties of my column. Okay, the concrete grade is 25. Okay, now the section size is 400 by 400, but okay, my section size is 230 by 230. So I will click on this drop down, click on edit, and change the section size to 230 by 230 and click on OK. All right, I'll go down. Okay, my reinforcements are okay, my concrete cover is also okay. All right, so I'll go to my alignment. Okay, I don't want automatic alignment. Okay, I want my on the major axis and on the minor axis, my alignment should be center. So I'll come to my model. Okay, pick point 1. Okay, so the column had been placed. Okay, pick point 2. Okay, pick point 3, point 4. Okay, I can also window round the columns at this edge. So there are two ways to create a column. You can either pick on the grid intersection or mirror around grid intersections you are interested in creating a column for. Okay, so now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let me go back to my AutoCAD file. Okay, so there is no column on grid 4, intersection of grid 4 and grid A. So I'll go back to my model, press escape, and delete this last column. Okay, so what do I want to delete? Okay, I want to delete the concrete column and also the support for the column. I'll click on OK. Now I've successfully defined column type 1. So to define column type 2, I'll go to my model tab. Okay, go to my concrete panel and click on column. Okay, the size of column type 2 is also 230 by 230, but column type 2 is terminating at the roof level. So I'll come here and select roof. Now to define the columns, I'll just come here, window round, okay, these intersections. Okay, I'll press Ctrl Z because the software is applying automatic alignment. Okay, and I don't want automatic alignment, so I'll come here, turn off automatic alignment so that my major alignment and minor alignment will be center. So I'll come here, window round here, and you can see that my column has been positioned correctly. So I'll come here also, window around there. So I have 8 columns now. Okay. I'll also click here and click here. So I have a total number of columns I require now. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let me check my AutoCAD drawing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's one more column here to make it 11. So I'll click here to place the last column. So now to view what I've done now, okay, I can press the escape key on my keyboard, go to my 3D view, and you can see that my columns have been created correctly. If I click on the front view, you can see that some of the columns are going to the roof level, while some of the columns are terminating on the pen floor. Okay, if I right click and rotate, okay, you can see, okay, that Tekla Structures Designer automatically adds support to the column for me. Okay, so I'll select all the supports. Okay, I'll come here, click on supports. Okay, I want all my supports to be fixed. Okay, so I'll select fixed and fix, and you can see that all my support has been updated from pin to fixed. Okay, so to escape now, I can press the escape button on my keyboard. Okay, so I've successfully created my columns. Thank you.